If you want to learn how to build sales funnels with ClickFunnels, there are many great courses to help you. Whether you're just starting or growing your online business, these courses cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies. Here's a simple list of the best ClickFunnels courses, both free and paid, to help you pick the right one. Official ClickFunnels courses. 1. One Funnel Away Challenge, OFA. Type, 30-day step-by-step challenge. Focus, building and launching your first funnel. Ideal for beginners to intermediate users. 2. Your first funnel. Type, free beginner course. Focus, funnel basics and first funnel setup. Ideal for total beginners. 3. 30-day summit. Type, interview style course. Focus, strategies from 30 successful entrepreneurs, 2 comma club winners. Features, day-by-day blueprints for rebuilding a business in 30 days. 4. Funnel Builder Secrets. Type, premium training and software bundle. Includes Funnel Hacks Masterclass, Traffic Secrets, Funnel Scripts, 6 months of ClickFunnels Platinum. 5. Funnel Hacking Secrets. Type, Webinar Plus Bundle. Focus, funnels, traffic generation, offer creation. Includes Funnel Builder Secrets as a bonus. 6. 2 comma club coaching. Type, high-end coaching program. Focus, scaling a business with funnels. Includes personal mentorship from ClickFunnels experts. 7. ClickFunnels Certification Program. Type, certification course. Focus, becoming a certified ClickFunnels expert. Ideal for freelancers, marketers, and agency owners. Green Circle Free Training by Russell Brunson, bonus. 8. 5-day lead challenge. Type, free challenge. Focus, simple funnels to generate leads. Duration, 5 days. 9. Funnel Flicks. Type, video training library, included with some plans. Features, courses by Russell Brunson plus marketing legends like Tony Robbins, Dan Kennedy, Jay Abraham, etc. Yellow Circle third-party and companion courses. 10. Affiliate Bootcamp. Type, free training series. Focus, promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate. Includes organic plus paid traffic strategies. 11. Traffic Secrets course. Type, course/book funnel. Focus, driving traffic to your funnels. Created by Russell Brunson. 12. .com Secrets and Expert Secrets courses. Type, companion video courses. Focus, core funnel strategies, storytelling, sales psychology. Based on Russell Brunson's best-selling books.